This is Plsc at Excel Year 9 Mathematics, May 2017. Question number 1. Find the median of, median is a middle number. So there are two methods. First, you can write it in the order. So the smallest is 26, then 37, then another 37, then after 37 is 41, then 48, then after 48 is 53, and then 59. So now cancel the extreme ends, cancel, cancel, cancel. So 41. So the answer is 41. So this is, let's try to write it properly. That is 41. That is the answer. There's another method you can do the same question. So we can write it here. That is, start from the smallest number. This is number 1, then this is 2, this is 3, then this is 4, 5, this is 6, this is 7. So these are the 7 numbers. 7 numbers means 3 this side and 3 this side. So 3, so fourth number. So what is the fourth number? That is 41. So 41 is the answer. What is question number 2? What is 4 over 5 equivalent to? So 4 over 5, try to make it 100. We know that 20 times 5 is 100. So that is 4 times 2 is 80. That is 80 divided by 100. So so decimal is here. So 0.8. So that is the answer. Another method to do is 5 divided by 4. 5 is bigger, 4 is smaller, so put 0. 4 times 5 times 8 is 40. So 0.8 is the answer. Question number 3. This shape is made from a square and a rectangle. This is a square and this is a rectangle. What is the perimeter of this shape? Perimeter is, so this is 7, this is 2, so this side will be 2, this side is 7. Now this one is, this total is 7, this one is 3. 7 minus 3, 4. So this side is 2 and this side is 2. This side is 3 because it's a square. This one is 3, this one is 3, this one is 2, this one is 2. So it is 7 and 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that is 24. Make sure whenever you write the perimeter, you write the lengths where the figure is, so that you are not going to miss any of the sides. So make sure you have to add all the numbers so that you will not forget any of the measurement. Question number 4 is 3a plus 4b. Now 3. What is the value of a? A is 7, so you will write 7 here. Plus 4, this is B, and B is 5. Now the thing is, 3A means 3 multiply A is not 37, so you will multiply these numbers. So 7 multiply 3 is 21, plus 4 multiply 5 is 20. So that will be 41. The question is, fifth question, the volume of a cube. Now whenever the volume is there, you multiply 3 sides. Sides may be equal, sides may be different, don't multiply twice. So here cube is having equal sides. So you multiply 4, how many times? 3 times. So volume will be 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. Because a cube is so if you see a cube, these are the 3 important sides. This is length, width and height. So that will be 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64 centimeter cube. So your answer is this. Next question, the area of a shape is 240 centimeter square. What is in millimeter? Have you seen your ruler? One side it is written millimeter, then it is written, sometime it's centimeter. This is 1 centimeter and it is divided into 10 parts. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now it's 240 centimeter square. So it means we have multiplied this. It's not a centimeter, centimeter square means 1 centimeter multiply 1 centimeter is centimeter square. So we have to multiply 10 by 10. So that is, you have to multiply it by 100. So 240 multiply by 100, not by 10, by 100. So there are 3 zeros after this. So there are 3 zeros. So the answer will be question number 7. A group of men and women took a test. This two-way table shows some information about the test. 43 men passed, total is 56. Women 43 passed, no, we don't know, but total is 75. Failed, we don't know. So how many women failed the test? So we have to find this. How many of them failed the test? And nothing is given there. Now total is 100 and those who passed are 75. So those who failed will be 25, because 75 plus 25 is 100. Now here we have 43 and 56. Total men are 56. So 43 plus 13 is 56. Now total 25 failed. So there are 12 women who failed the test. Question number 8. A pie chart is drawn to show the hair color of 200 people in a school. 40 have brown hair. What angle will the sector of the brown hair will be on the pie chart? So these are 200 people. Then brown hair, there are 40 people. We know that in a pie chart, the total we have to represent in 360 degree. So 200 are represented by 360 degree. We have to put 200 here. So 1 will be represented by less. So that is 360 over 200. And 40 will represent more. So 40 will represented by 360 divide by 200 multiply by 40. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. 2 times 2 is 4, 36 times 2 is 72 degree. So this portion will be represented by the 40 people. The only thing you have to remember is this all 200 are represented by 360 degree only. So suppose there is a 1 student, the 1 will be represented by all. Now 40 more is there, we represented by less. So always remember, if 200 are representing 360, 1 will represent less. So you divide it. Then 40, 1 is less than 200, so divide. 40 is more than 1, so you multiply. That's the way you can do this question. What is 280 as a product of its prime factors? Now if 280 is there, if it is asking factors, then 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, then 4 is a factor, 7 is a factor, 5 is a factor, something like this. This is not asking factor, is asking prime factor. Means what are the numbers when we multiply we get 280. So this is 280. We easily know that 280 is 28 multiplied 10. We know that 28 is 7 times 4 and 10 we know is 2 times 5. We can't factorize it further, we can't factorize it, but 4 we can factorize it, 2 multiply 2. So the factors, the product of factor will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. Where this kind of a tree stops, you only take those ones. So it is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. So where it is 2 multiply 3 times is this, multiply 5 multiply 7. Question number 4 and negative 6 and minus 2 and 14. You have to find the midpoint. So say this is 4 and minus 6 and this one is minus 2 and 14. So first we talk about x. This is 4 and this is minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Divide by 2, that is 1. You add the number, divide by 2. Now we have negative 6 and 14. So negative 6 plus 14 will be positive 8. Divide by 2. So that will be 4. So our points are 1 and 4. So this is 1 and 4. Now question number 11. What is the name given to a straight line that goes from the center of the circle to the circumference? This is called the circumference, this is the center. So this line, this is not a complete line, only this line. We know this line is called radius. Tangent is the line touching the circle. Diameter is passing through the center. Chord is not passing through the center. So these are the lines. Expand. First we expand means to remove the bracket. So we are going to expand it. Minus 12 times 3 is minus 36 m. minus 12 times minus 2, minus minus is plus, and 12 times 2 is 24, minus 10 plus 2m. That is the meaning of expand. We have expanded it. Now simplify. Simplify means collecting the like terms. Now let us see which terms are having m in it. This one and this one. So minus 36 plus 2. Minus 36 plus 2. That is minus 36 and 2. That is minus 34 and m. And these are the numbers. 24 minus 10 is plus 14. So minus 34m plus 14. So this is the answer. Question number 13 is 0.025701 and so on. Round to two places of decimals. Now this is the first place of decimal, this is the second place of decimal. Now we can write it 0.02. Now we check the next number. Next number is 5. If it is 5, you increase 1 here. If it is 4, you leave it like that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, you leave it like this. Now this one is 5, so you increase it. So it will be 0.03. So this is going to be the answer. Question number 14. Find the value of 4h plus 3 square. That is 4h plus 3. Now we have to replace h. This h we replace by 2. So this h. We have done a previous question like that. So it is 4. H will be replaced by 2. Plus 3 square. This is not 42. 4h means 4 multiplied 2. So this will be 4 multiplied 2 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. 11 square. 11 square is 121. If you have to multiply any number by 11, so this is 11 multiply 11. So this is the number we are multiplying. Suppose 11 multiply 12, 11 multiply 13, 11 multiply say 18. This is 1 and this is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. In the same way, this is 1, this is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. This is 1 and this is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. This is 1, this is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. When we multiply the number by 11, you just write, for example, you have to multiply 23 by 11. So that is 253. 3 plus 2 is 5. So now our answer is 121. Question number 15. Find the value of, this is 3 cube plus 8 minus 3 multiply 4. Now first we have to simplify the bracket. So 8 minus 3 is 5 multiply 4 plus. Now this is a separate, so we can write this one. 3 cube is 3 times 3 cube will be 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. Now again, whether we add it, we write 27 plus 5 or 4. So first you multiply. So that will be 20. And this is 27. So it will be 47. So this will be the answer. Question number 16. The frequency table below shows the number of the marks scored on a test So what is the model class? Now model class is, you can say, biggest frequency or most repeated. So which one is having the maximum frequency, which is, or where the most students are coming in the class? 0 to 19 we are having 31 students, and nowhere we can see 31 students. So our model class is 0 to 19. Never get confused by mean, median, mode. This is a model class, maximum numbers. Now we have to write this in standard form. Question number 17. So this is 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm writing this number to explain to you, but what you are supposed to do, you solve this here only. For example, how? I'm telling you. There's no decimal here, so decimal is here. So how many points we are moving? 1, 1, or just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 10 is to the power 9. You need not to check any other, because we are moving in this direction, so it is positive. If you move in this direction, it will be negative. So this is the answer. Now here, standard form means decimal will come here after first digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can straight away write 10 to the power 9 and write these numbers. 1.357 into 10 to the power 9. Sometimes when the options are given, it's easy to calculate. For example, 10 to the power minus 9. We are not moving this direction. We are moving in this direction. So it is a positive. So it can't be, this can't be. So you have two options. Just calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't stop here after first digit. So that is 9. So this is the answer. The price of a game console has been reduced to 20% in a sale. It means if the price was 100, it is reduced to 20% reduced, means now it is 80. It's not 20, it is reduced 20. The sale price is 360. So definitely it is more than 360. So this is wrong answer. This is wrong answer. Now you can have these two answers. So now how to calculate this thing? When it was, if the sale price was 100, if the original price was 100, the sale price is 80. This you can say cost price, or you can say original price, and this you can say sale price or the selling price. Now what we have to calculate here? We have to calculate the cost before it was reduced. So we have to calculate this one. So had sale price be 1, it is reduced. So cost price would have been 100 over 80. But sale price is not 1. If 1 it is 100 over 80, then what is the original price when it is 360? Now it is increased again. So we multiply. So 100 over 80 multiply 360. We can cancel this. So that will be, so this is 100 multiply 36 over 8. 8 you can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So that 2 times 5 is 10, that is 50. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 8 is 16. Then cancel this 2 by 9. So 9 times 5 is 45. So this is 450. 450 is the answer. If you learn this technique, it is used at so many places. When we reduce the number, we divide. This is reducing. So I'm dividing 100 by 80. Now this number is increasing. I'm multiplying now. And then you simplify this thing. Question number 19. What is the nth term of the sequence? There are two methods to solve this kind of a question. One is very easy. Let me tell you first one. This is 4n square. So put n is equal to 4. So 4 multiply 4 is 16 square. 16 square is 4n square. Put n is equal to 1. 4 multiply 1 is 4. And 4 square is 8. So this cannot be the answer. If n is 1, n square is 1 plus 4, that is 5. This cannot be the answer. 4, so these two, they are not the answers. 4n square, put n is equal to 1, so first term is 4. Put n is equal to 2. 2 square is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Put n is equal to 3. 3 square is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. So this seems to be a correct answer. Now this 12 times 1 is 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 minus 8 is 16. 12 times 3 is 36. Minus 8. No. So this is no. So we can see only this one is following. So the answer is this. Now let's see another method. This is 4, 16, 36, 64. Now here we can see that the 4 is there. So let's try to divide all by 4. So this is 1, this is 4, this is 9, and this is 16. This is 1 square, this is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square. So it means it is n square and multiplied by 4. So answer is 4n square. Next question, factorize fully. So question number 20 is, so this is 28 x square plus 16xy plus 8x. Now just write the factors of this. 28x square can be written as, this is 7 times 4 means 2 times 2 is 4 times 7 is, let me write in a different way so that you don't get confused between x and multiplication. Let me use dot for the multiplication. So 28 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. 7 times 2 is 14 times 2 is 28, and x can be written as x and x. Now 16 can be written as 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16, x and y. Now 8x can be written as 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times x. Now we can see x is common, 2 is common, then another 2 is common. So what is common here? 2, 2 and x. Now the remaining is what here? 7x. 7x. In next line 2, 2 and y. So 2 and 2 and y will 2 and 2 4. So 4y. Then this one we have only 2. So this is 4x. (7x plus 4y plus 2). So your answer is this. So question number 20, the answer will be C. A book is 25 centimeter long to the nearest centimeter. This is 25. So means if the book is up to here, that is 25.5, and if book is up to here, that is 24.5. What is the minimum possible length of the book? So minimum possible length of the book is, I told you, it is minimum is this, maximum is this. So that is 24.5. Now these are the easiest question. If it is a multiplication, you just add 8 plus 4 is 12. You need not to do much in this question. If it is a multiply, if f to the power 3 multiply f to the power 4, that is f to the power 7. If f to the power 7 divide f to the power 6, this is f to the power 7 minus 6, f to the power 1. So that's all you have to do. Question number 23rd. One counter is taken at a random from a bag. The probability that the counter read is 1 over 7. So suppose this is a red counter, its probability is 1 over 7. The probability that counter is blue is 7 over 10, is 7 over 10. Now this is 1 over 5, not 1 over. So this is 1 over 5. And counter is blue is, the probability that a counter is blue is 7 over 10. Then there are some green counters. So what is the probability? We know that the sum of all the probability, we don't know what is this probability, but that must be equal to 1. So 1 over 5 plus 7 over 10 plus something should be 1. For example, I'm asking 8 plus something is equal to 10. So you know that 10 minus 8. So we add this, and the easiest way to add is make the denominator same. This is 5. How will make it same? Multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. So this will be 2 over 10 plus 7 over 10 plus 7 and 2, 9, and 1, 10. So this is 10 over 10, so 1 over 10. So this is the answer. This is a right angle triangle. What is the length of unknown side? You should know all the, this is a Pythagoras theorem we have to. So the biggest side is the opposite side of 90 degree. Always remember. So the square of biggest side, if this is a triangle, then this is the biggest side. If the triangle is like this and it is a 90 degree, this one is the biggest side. So square of this equal to the square of other two sides. Or if you have to find this side, you add. If this side is given, you subtract. This is a very simple principle. Again, I'm telling you, if you have to find this, the longest side, you add. What you add, what you subtract, I'll tell you. But remember, you add. If you have to find this side, you subtract. If it is given, you add. If it is not given, to find this. And if it is given, you subtract. Now it is given. Now you subtract. Subtract what? This side minus given side. But don't subtract it directly. You square it. So 13 square is 169 and this is 25. So that is 144 and find the root of it. So that will be 12 centimeter. Now this one is round to 3 significant figure. 3 significant figures start from 0. If the figure is given 0.00234118, significant figures will start from here with a non-zero. So this one is 3 significant, 1, 2, 3. But after third one it is a greater number, so it will be 7.16. So the answer will be this, because this number is more, so you increase this 5 by 1, so 7.16. A regular polygon. Question 26. A regular polygon has an exterior angle. So exterior angle is this angle is 60 degree. What is the sum of the polygons? Sum of polygons interior angles. So if this is 60 degree, so we know that the sum of the exterior angles is 360. So 360 divided by 60 will be 6. So this polygon is having 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Sorry, the figure is not very accurate. It's a regular polygon. Anyway, the 6 sides. So this is a straight line. This is 60, so this will be 180 minus 60, so it is 120. So 120 multiplies 6 will be 0, 6 times 2 is 12, 2 carry 1, 6 times 1 is 6 and 720. So this polygon is having the sum of interior angles 720 degree. Question number 27 is factorize. Factorize means we put it in the brackets. Multiplication of the brackets. So y square minus 49. Whenever you get square and minus something, so do the square of that. So it will be y square minus 7 square. So you know that x square minus y square is sum, that is x plus y, and the difference, that is x minus y. So this is x plus 7 and x minus 7. So this is the answer. The area of a shape is 24 centimeters square. Let's assume it is 24. The shape is enlarged by the scale factor of 3. What is the area of enlarged shape? Now if area is 24, so the original area is 24 and this is we want to know the area, not the volume. So if the area is there, we multiply it by the enlarged factor 3 times 3. So that is 216. Now had it been a volume, then it would have been 24 times 3 times 3 times 3. So that is the enlarged volume of factor 3. A fair 6-sided die has faces that are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obvious. The dice roll twice. What is the probability of getting 2 on both rolls? So first the probability of getting 2 is only one time. So 1 over 6. Now it has not been removed. So again the probability is same. So that is 1 over 36. That is the probability. Find 64 is to the power minus 2 over 3. Now 64 is, we know that. So 64 can be written as 4 is to the power 3. The power minus 2 over 3. So this 3 and 3 cancel. So it is 4 is to the power minus 2. That is 1 over 4 square. That is 1 over 16. Whenever we have a number 2 is to the power minus 1, it is 1 over 2. 2 is to the power minus 3, 3 over 2. No, this is wrong. It means it is 1 over 2 is to the power 3. Always remember this.